This tutorial will walk you through the proper steps for delivery, unpacking, and setup of a Reverie 5D Signature Power Base model. This tutorial may also be used for the setup of the Reverie 4M and other custom manufactured Reverie models. There should be enough room available to unbox and assemble the Power Base. Also, be sure that the path to the room in which the Power Base will be carried is clear and open, ensuring that nothing will be broken. Keep the adjustable foundation in the box while moving it. Make sure 2 people are present at all times to avoid injury. Carry the Power Base to the customer's desired location with one hand supporting the bottom of the box and the other hand stabilizing the top of the box. Lay the box flat with the base upside down for the initial setup phase. Once the box is flat on the floor, cut the packing band surrounding the base along with any tape. Remove the top of the box and the plastic covering the Power Base. In the undercarriage of the base, you'll find all accessories and tools necessary to complete Power Base assembly. Cut the zip ties securing the accessory boxes to the base and set the boxes aside. Do not remove the cardboard band securing the head and foot sections until the base legs are attached and it's standing upright. Open the accessory boxes. Locate the owner's manual for a complete list of parts. Remove the 4 legs from the box labeled legs. Attach them to the Power Base by threading them in a clockwise direction into the threaded holes in the frame. Be sure to tighten the legs securely with your hands. No tools required. Leave no space between the leg and the frame. Remove and extend the power cord from the frame. Locate the control box of the Power Base and remove the battery cover. Insert the 2 alkaline 9-volt batteries and replace the cover to activate the power down feature. Plug in the power cord. Locate the remote and install the batteries. The remote that comes with the adjustable Power Base is already paired to the Power Base. Should you need to pair the 2 bases of a split king to a single remote, you may do so now. Press the Learn button on the control box of the base you wish to pair with a remote until it illuminates with a green light. When the light turns green, press any button on the remote and release. Once the Learn button flashes green, it's paired to the remote. Begin to remove the plastic wrapped around the frame of the adjustable Power Base by pulling it away from the undercarriage of the frame where it's stapled. Once the plastic is pulled away from the underside of the base, carefully flip the frame over using 2 people. Once the base is flipped, remove the packing bands. Remove the remaining plastic by pulling it off and away from the remaining hardware. The Power Base is equipped with Reverie's Pro Grip technology to keep the mattress in place. Using the Allen wrench provided, loosen the hardware already attached to the base. Once it's loosened, attach the retainer bars and secure it by tightening the hardware with the Allen wrench. Plug the Power Base into a properly grounded outlet or, as recommended, a surge protector. Using the remote, test the functions of the Power Base. For further assistance, contact Reverie Customer Service at 1-800-973-8374 or customerservice@reverie.com.